I'm here to speak with you about transformation. Not small incremental change, but literal transformation of engineering and project execution processes that are designed to deliver value to our customers. As we start, I would like you to consider how products, companies, and even entire industries evolve. And then, with one disruptive technology, they are changed forever. In the midst of this rapid change, our customers are asking for help. They're not simply asking vendors to drop prices in order to improve their own cost position. They're asking for solutions to new challenges that are negatively impacting their business, profitability, and their ability to accurately forecast results to their investors. Today, I'm discussing a project execution challenge and its solution, specifically called OpreX Agile Project Execution Services. Back in 2011, one of the largest companies in the world shared what they called project execution nightmares. These nightmares were in fact negatively impacting their return on capital employed and their business. They were asking for a solution, and today customers in all industries are asking for similar solutions, similar business outcomes. Looking at capital projects, why are project schedules so difficult to manage? Why are capital expenditures so hard to predict? And why do end users continue to struggle with efficient and effective execution processes? You see, the basic issue resides in the typical sequential project execution process. Project engineers must complete step 1 to execute step 2, and data from 2 is needed for 3, and so on and so forth. But with ever-shortening project schedules driven by supply agreements, contracts with joint venture partners, in-country entities, investments, project teams are forced to eliminate float and engineer with bad or poor quality data. And for the instrumentation control vendor, it's important to understand the realm of control we have. You see, instrumentation and control does not own any I/O. Its other disciplines such as process, mechanical, electrical, and risk management. They own the I/O. We simply input the data they give us. Agile project execution is an innovative approach to utilizing standardized technology and flexible processes that keep automation off the critical path during project execution. The result is lower cost of installation and maintenance, reduced risk during project execution, and the lowest total cost of ownership. To meet our customers' critical business needs, Yokogawa has developed the transformative project execution methodology known as Agile Project Execution. Leveraging key enabling technologies, which include virtualization, cloud-enabled engineering, network I/O, Yokogawa has been able to eliminate steps, automate engineering and delivery activities, and significantly reduce schedule dependencies which exist in the traditional execution model. But the solution lies in the engineering and delivery processes which have been completely remapped. The key enabling technologies allow us to eliminate, automate, and significantly reduce the steps of the traditional execution process. You see, Yokogawa understands that work practices and management of change activities between the EPC and the automation provider are key to unleashing the benefits of this process and methodology. We've been working with end users and EPCs around the world to accomplish just that. Agile project execution delivers a more cost-efficient project with scheduled flexibility that ensures automation stays off the critical path. One thing is clear. This new methodology is a competitive advantage for EPCs and end users who adopt early. It isn't just about the technology. Key enabling technologies have been available for years. What is different is that compared to the traditional project delivery methodology, Agile project execution reduces costs associated with the delivery of the automation system by as much as 15 to 40%. This is the key success factor. The execution and delivery methodology, OpreX Agile Project Execution Services. For more information, contact us at yokogawa.com.